Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Andrew here. Today I am actually at my buddy Chris Crane's shop, Crane Auto Works, and it's out in Crestwood. He does a lot of fab work, roll cages, turbo kits, seat installs, angle kits, all like that. So anyway, today we are just doing a bucket seat and my G35, hopefully. I think I may have got the wrong bracket shipped to me by mistake. I got a corporate seat bracket with my seat, and the part number that I got was a 2066. The part that the G35 coupe driver's seat is supposed to be a 2076. So the one that I have is for a 350Z, so I'm hoping there's not a difference, and maybe I didn't get the wrong part. I just wasn't aware that it was kind of a universal between the two. So we're gonna test it out and see if it fits. If it fits, then I'll be installing my bucket seat today. If not, then I guess I'll be waiting to ship back some car parts and get the replacements in. So, all right, let's find out. All right, so we got the old seat out, as you can see there, and it turns out that I did not get the wrong bracket. The 350Z driver side bracket is actually the same as the G35 driver side. I guess you learned something new. So I guess I can go ahead and show you the seat now. Here's Chris.
Yeah.
Hey, you got an Instagram, don't you?
Yes.
What's your Instagram?
Chris Crane 81.
Taking a look at some of the cars, some of the things Chris has going on at the shop here. I think this is a midget. I think it's a midget car, but I'm pretty sure it's a midget. And then got this LS 240. We got 350G with some bolts on it. And then we got kind of like a VIP style car here. And my car in the background, of course. But it was a success. We did get the seat in there. I think it looks pretty sick. You guys take a look and let me know what you guys think.